Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Image Kenya TV. We appreciate you so much for coming. Today we present an outstanding home with mind-blowing interior and exterior design. This tour is at the courtesy of the 47 Investment Company in Kenya. The 47 Investment Company is a construction company that offers construction solutions at affordable prices. Please check them out and consider them in your next construction project. This outstanding home is located in Machakos County in Kenya. This is a 4-bedroom, all-en-suite home designed with a flat roofing. All 4 sides of this 50 by 100 meters yard are walled with a beautiful gate. The exterior decorations are done very attractively with a white color paint, bringing an elegant look to this home. As you enter the house, this is the designed porch that you can sit out here and hang out and enjoy an afternoon or your evening. Guys, please don't forget to like this video, to share, leave a comment down below, and to subscribe if you want more videos like this and more. Moving on, let's enter this outstanding home and check it out. This is the landing area of this house, and as you can see, it's very beautiful. And right here is a shelving for storage that looks just amazing. Moving on, we're entering the dining area with a washing area, beautiful windows, beautiful lighting. It's just an outstanding home. We are now in the living area. This living area is so spacious. Big, beautiful windows. The light is amazing and it's just elegant. Moving on, this is the guest bathroom. It's a good size with premium finishing. Moving on, we are now in this stylish kitchen area. It's designed very clean and neatly. The cabinets, the counters, double sink. Just amazing. This kitchen also comes with a walk-in pantry that has a lot of storage areas. We are now in the backyard of this house. Look at more storage areas. This is the laundry area. Your washing machine and your dryer would go right here, and across from it is the utility double sink. We are now moving back to the inside of the house, and I just wanted to show you this storage area under the stairwell. Now we are going to check the bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. It has a vast space. The windows are amazing. Has enough storage in the wardrobes and is self-contained. And like I told you earlier, all the bedrooms in this house are all ensuite with beautiful bathrooms with premium finishing. Look at this beautiful shower head, and across from it this vanity that looks just amazing. We are now moving upstairs to check out what's up there in this outstanding home. This stairwell has beautiful lighting, beautiful railing, well tiled, and a beautiful design. And guys, did I tell you that this outstanding home is designed and built by the 47 Investment Company? We are now in the loft area at the rooftop. This place gives you an amazing view of the neighborhood and also gives you a lot of space here to host your family or your friends for an evening or an afternoon barbecue or a hangout. This loft also has this beautiful bathroom that your guests can use while they're up here. Moving on back inside, we're gonna be showing you this second bath attached bedroom. The settings of this bedroom are just like the previous one we showed you. It's spacious with a lot of storage areas. Moving on, we're gonna be skipping the third bedroom. It's just a duplicate of what we just seen, but we're gonna be showing you this beautiful balcony that it has that gives you an amazing view of the neighborhood and also of the front yard. We are now moving into the master bedroom of this outstanding home. It's spacious, good lighting, big windows. It shares the balcony with the third bedroom, a walk-in closet, and a beautiful bathroom. We are now going back outside to check out for the last time the amazing designs. We now have completed the tour of this outstanding home with mind-blowing exterior and interior designs. We hope you enjoyed this home tour. Please leave your valuable comments in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching. Cheers.